So after we have completed this sidebar, now I'm going to create an accordion for a small navbar. In this navbar, we will be creating a navbar with only the icons. So it will be the first stage. If the user want a detailed view of the navbar, then he can click on the navbar and have a detailed view of the navbar, right? So first, what I do, I have already grouped the content of the navbar and this rectangle alone. What I do is align this again. Perfect. What I do, I have already left out this icon before. So what I do here is change the fill first to this and create a rectangle here of 40 by 40. Give it first a stroke and change the fill to linear. First we want is this one, then the second one, which will be this one, right? And this here, and I will be removing, no, give the fill to this rectangle. Yeah, this one. Paste it here. I'm changing some opacity here. We'll play with the lighter shade of this, so we'll be discriminating, or else we can copy this one, this inside fill. Copy and just paste it here. Okay, fine. And you bring it forefront. And I'm just increasing the size of this icon to 20, or what will be, okay, it's a different. So I'm taking the width 15 and 22. 22, perfect. And give some border radius to this rectangle, 5. Now what I'm doing is grouping this icon and rectangle first. Okay, and then this group to this group. What happened? Okay, let it be. So what I'm doing is selecting these things and creating a component set. Okay, there is a problem here because we haven't select all the elements first and group them first. Okay, good. Then I'm creating a component here. Okay, it's been created a component. So what has been happening here is that we are going to add a variant here. So a variant has been added. So what I'm going to do is with the first one, I'm removing all the unnecessary things which we don't want here. All the text. We don't want any text here. So I'm deleting all the text first. In the text, pressing Shift and delete it. Okay, good. Good. We don't want this group. And we don't want this as well. And we don't want this. So delete. And with this rectangle, I'm giving the width to 40 first. So what happened here is that this icon has been changed, the width. So back to 20. Bring the icon to the center. Perfect. And now we are taking back to 120. Okay, this is the size we want. And we are moving this icon to the left. Perfect. All right. So we have this thing being created. Now what we are going to do is selecting the component, selecting the first one, and give it on click, change to variant to smart animate is out. We want is in and is out. So back to this one, on click, is in and is out, 300 milliseconds. Perfect. Let's check this component first. So I'm going to the asset folder. We want this one. Bringing down this. Okay. Back to design. It seems like it's been much outer. So what we're gonna do is I'm decreasing the width to from 40 to 30, and perfect. So it will be changed here as well. So just give the X with a 0 and Y with a 0. So it will align perfectly with this frame. So now we can check the prototype. Perfect. So we have got this. So I'm clicking on this icon, back to the branch. So it is working perfectly. Okay, one thing has been now. So we have to do two more things here. That this icon should be 360. Angle minus 90. Let's see how. Okay, minus 180 or 180. So it is 180. Good. And we have to change the width 30. Good. Right. So back again. All right. I think something is missing. 0. Okay, good. All right. So when we have covered this part as well. So thank you for watching this video as well. Please like, subscribe, and give a comment, some suggestion, the next video, or anything which you like to say about the channel. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day ahead. Bye.